We spoke to a native East Texan who is living near Hurricane Michael's path. KETK's Annalise Coble joins us live in the studio to tell us more about the Petering family. Annalise?
Rachel, Shelby Petering lived in Tyler most of her life, but now lives in Navarre, Florida, which is just 75 miles from where Hurricane Michael has been wreaking havoc. Hurricane Michael, for one Navarre, Florida family, hit a little too close to home.
We left when they started talking about potential of Category 4, Category 5 type hurricane with a lot of uncertainty just with how close we were. I have 2 newborns and a 3-year-old, so we actually ended up evacuating to Montgomery, Alabama.
That's Shelby Petering. She grew up in Tyler.
I moved there when I was about 4 years old, and so I went to school from kindergarten all the way to my senior year in high school.
Petering spent a lot of time at her aunt's store, Sweet Gourmet, in Tyler.
She worked here at Aunt Pam's store, and it was great. We had a wonderful time.
Gabriel was worried about her niece when she heard about the hurricane.
I think the scary thing, and what we were worried about most for her, is that she has 2 tiny twins that she just had about 4 months ago. And then she has, I think he's about 2.5 now. So she's got her hands full, even on a regular day.
With Panama City Beach being wrecked by high winds this week, trees being overturned and roofs being ripped from buildings, she was happy to find out Petering had made her way to safety.
I think it was yesterday, I got the text, that said, I'm okay, we're up here with some families and whatnot.
Safe and out of the line of danger. Petering tells me she hopes to be back home in Navarre in the next 24 hours. Live in the studio, Annalise Coble, KETK News.